Hey everyone, welcome back. Does the Cleo app go completely white and freeze the moment you try to reconnect with your bank account? Here's the fix. First, force close the Cleo entirely from your recent apps, since a white screen during bank reconnection is almost always means the in-app browser Cleo uses to load your bank's login page failed to render and the app never recovered from it. Reopen Cleo and try the reconnect flow again fresh. If it goes white again, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, find Cleo app to the list of apps and then tap on it and tap Offload app. Then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. This clears the cached version of the storage bank connection browser components that's failing to load. Before you reinstall, remember your Cleo login email or phone number so you can sign back in. After reinstalling, go to your settings app, then go to general. Scroll down to VPN and device management and make sure no VPN is active since bank connection page frequently fail to load when routed through a VPN. Also confirm you're on a strong Wi-Fi or mobile signal since the bank reconnection screen loads a secure page live and fails on a weak connection. So all you've got to do is force close and retry, then offload and reinstall to the cached connection browser, turn off any VPN and use strong connection, then reconnect the screen and it will load properly. Subscribe.